i.e. 15% shares of Safaricom. It's important, Your Lordship, to mention that that approval was in violation, express violation of the conservatory orders issued by your brother, Justice Mugambi. And the reason why we strongly argue for extension of the conservatory orders is also because even when the court was in vacation, the learned, the Attorney General, attempted to move court to have the conservatory orders lifted. That goes to show, Your Lordships, it's bad faith on the part of some of the respondents in a matter as crucial.
Well, I beg your pardon, I apologize for them to interrupt. But if counsel is suggesting that the Attorney General attempted to move court, perhaps he should identify the application. And there is no such application. It would be helpful for us to respond to a specific factual assertion. Otherwise, for the court to be misled in that manner is unfair to the Honorable Attorney General and to the rest of us.
I take note of that.
Council, just to guide you, the record shows they filed a general summons application under the recess rules.
Thank you.
Is it the one you're referring to?
Indeed, and the matter was brought before you. So I'm not attempting to lead at our level, my senior brother, Ohaga. It would be a terrific mistake on our part to attempt to mislead court. That's the application I'm referring to.
If I may, my name is Margo.
Yes, Baba.
I am counsel for the Honorable Attorney General. I confirm that I'm the one who filed that application. The application is dated the 27th of March 2026. The application was seeking the application we had during the vacation period, and you issued direction. I don't think there is anything wrong because we were just following the due process. And directions were issued to that effect, and there is total compliance to the application lordship. So that's the settled issue.
Yeah, I think I dealt with that application. I gave directions.
Thank you, Lordship.
And let's give it at that.
Yeah. Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
We stand guided. But the point I was making was if the conservatory orders are not extended, because under Justice Mugambi's ruling, your lordships are at liberty to vary those orders, to give whatever directions you may deem necessary in the interest of justice. And my lords, the country is watching, because Safaricom happens to be literally the goose that lays the golden egg, contributing significantly to the GDP of our economy, in excess of 8%, my lords. the world has actually taken note, and I think that's why the interest in other players in that space. Because the name M-Pesa, my lord, M-Pesa, itself a Kenyan innovation and invention, has hit the international market space in terms of inclusion by citizens who otherwise would have no business at all going to a bank. Let me surprise your lordships. Evidence even available on artificial intelligence shows that every minute Kenyans transact approximately 15 million shillings on M-Pesa alone. Therefore, we strongly urge that the lordships favor the petitioners with extension of these conservatory orders until the matters which are heavy are deliberated between your lordships and brought to a conclusion that will look and sound fair and just to the Kenyan people. My final comment, your lordships, is if these orders are lifted, the rest of the time before your lordships will be nothing but academic exercise, and it will serve as a huge disappointment to Kenyans who have been following this matter so keenly. And this includes, my lords, the mama mbogas who are able to take their products to the Kulima market and pay by M-Pesa, the more than 171,000 dealers your lordships, Safaricom employs over 1 million Kenyans. So I plea, and I'll ask Ellen to deal with the matter of the applications, but we want to urge that your lordships consider extension of these conservatory orders, and so that we can then come before you when we have adequacy of time and when the country is in a position to listen to the deeper arguments, including the undervaluation of the shares that are allegedly to be sold to a foreign entity. I repeat, my lords, to a foreign entity. As we approach the election year, it is not lost on Kenyans that Safaricom serves as a major platform for delivery of essential data. So this falling in foreign hands, my lordships, will compromise the security not just of our sovereignty, but our security. I beg to move, my lords.
things you said, you will compromise,
Compromise
security,
national sovereignty
national sovereignty.
and security. Because, my lord, Safaricom is a national security asset.